Hi and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be changing this white LED with an orange LED. I got this from an original Xbox and the owner said that it was faulty, but I've tried it out and it's not faulty, so to make a video I'm going to change this LED here. To change it I'm probably going to just use hot air from the bottom, but if I flip it around there is a couple of components here, but I don't think they'll be a problem. So I'll start using 350 degrees Celsius, 20% airflow, and take that off, add some leaded solder to these two pads, and I'll see how that goes. So to continue with the video I'm going to switch over to the scope. Okay, here when I was using the hot air, after the board heated up on bottom, I did move the hot air to the top. It's fine when you're taking off the old LED, but when you are putting the new LED on, it is important to keep the hot air at the bottom of the board and not the top, because you will melt that LED easily. Okay, here my camera stopped rolling, but all I've done is I've added leaded solder to the pads. Adding the leaded solder brings down the melting temperature of the solder, so it's just safer for the components underneath and for the LED, I guess, when you're putting it on with the hot air. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to add flux and just reflow it in and keeping the hot air going underneath the board. Okay, so now it's time to give it a test. Okay, here's the final result, and I think it looks pretty decent and it was easy enough to do as well. So I think that's all for this video. If you like this type of content, please do like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.